Good evening, everyone. In the last videos, we had a very clear discussion about string data structure. Okay. So, as a part of this string data structure, we have seen introduction to the string, how we can able to represent the strings. Okay. Like we have different ways are there, right, to represent the strings. That part also we covered very clearly in the last video. Okay. Next and after that, we discussed various arithmetic operations on the string data structure. Okay. So even we have seen comparing how you can able to compare one string object with another string object. Next and after that, we discussed about common functions which we are applying on string data structures. All these things we covered very clearly in the last videos. Even common functions. Okay, one second. Right. We have seen the common functions which are available on the string object. Sir, next and after that, our string object is immutable. Means what? If you are trying to perform any modifications on the string object, that modifications won't be reflected. So then, even we covered string specific methods. What methods we have seen? The first few methods related to the case, like how you can convert lowercase characters to uppercase characters, uppercase characters to lowercase characters. So such type of things we covered very clearly. Sir, now even we have seen how this is alpha numeric is going to work, is alpha is going to work, is digit, next and after that is space. So is upper, is lower. These things we covered very clearly. Now we are going to talk about the next method, which is nothing but a count. Sir, it is having multiple forms, but I am not going in depth. What is the purpose of count method is nothing but it count for the given substring. Okay, and it returns number of occurrences, how many times that particular data got occurred, it is going to print. Okay, let us take one example for you to understand. So here I am going to take one simple Python program. So consider I have s is equal to something like ab, so or ab, so double ab, triple ab, four a's followed by b. Okay, next and after that c, something like this we have. Now my requirement is, in this I want to count how many times the character a got repeated. Yes, we have count function is there, which will take a character and how many times it is available, it is going to count. Sir, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times it is available. Sir, now I want to count B, how many times the character B is available. How many times it is available? I think 4 times. I want to count how many times the character C is available. How many times it is available? I think only one time. I want to count how many times the character D is available. How many times it is available? 0 times. So if we want, let us cross check really is it correct or not. We can check. Just I am taking cd space test py space test dot py. The output is 10410. Is it correct? So 10410. Even if you have a substring also you can count. Sir, I have ab is there. How many times it is repeated, sir? So first time, second time, third time, fourth time. Like this we are going to get. Now you can see. Okay, so four times it is available like that. So what is the purpose of count function? It is going to count how many times that particular string or substring or a character is going to occur. Sir, one more function is there called replace. What is mean by replace? The name itself is giving very clear idea, right? It replaces old occurrence, okay, or old character or string. Better to write a string, old string with a so new string with a new string. Like this we have. Let us take one example program for this purpose. Sir, here I am going to take the example like in this particular I want to replace the word AB. The word AB, I want to replace with K. So then what will happen, sir? In the target string, wherever AB is there, so that character that will be replaced with K, KA, so K double A and K triple A followed by KC. Like this we are going to get. Okay. Now S dot replace of every A I want to replace with okay something like yes W. Then what output we are getting? WB, WWB, WWWB, WWWWBC. Like this we are going to get. Let me cross check and see what will happen. Perfect. Sir, this is the way how this replace operation is going to work. Friends, can you please confirm how this replace function is working? At the same time, how the count function is working? Sorry, not a function, method, how it is working. Are you clear with this approach, friends? Please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
You don't have any doubts, right? Please confirm everyone.
No doubt, sir.
Right. So the next one, what we have here is, sir, 1 second. Can you please be on wait, please? Yeah, sorry for the delay. Yeah, someone is asking, can you please, what is your doubt, sir?
Sir, how can we find unique string, substring from that from a particular unique string?
Unique means?
Unique means C, like AB, BA is not BA. BA is duplicate.
Sir, that is a program related things, right? Now we are discussing about the functions.
So there is no particular functions for that, right?
Yes, yes, we don't have. They
Okay.
won't keep, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Got it.
Right. Sir, next one. Okay, so next one, what we have here is the next connect, the next one, what we are going to discuss, the next function. Sir, we have, okay, starts with, ends with the function is there. Okay, what is another function? Starts with. If you are providing any, what it is going to return? Very simple. It returns true. It returns true if the given string starts with another string. Okay, my starts with the function is going to return true. Sir, please make sure in Python always T is capital letter. And what about ends with? So ends with is going to return true. Okay, so it returns true if the given string ends with another string like this we have. This is nothing but what we have starts with and ends with. Let us cross check, sir. I have a program is there like s is equal to. So Python is okay. Python is very easy. Okay, very easy. Like this, I have a string. Now I need to check whether is my string starts with the word called Java. No, right? Immediately it is going to return false. Sir, is my string starts with the word called Python? Yes, right. So we will get true. Sir, is my string ends with the word called easy? Yes, it is ending with the word called easy. It will return true. Sir, is it ends with the word called difficult? Difficult? Yes, it is going to ends with difficult. No, we will get false. Like we have starts with and ends with is there, we can able to check whether the string starting with another string or not. Like this we have. And next and after that we have another method is there with name index. What is this method? Sir, it returns the index value of the given string. So otherwise we are going to get error. It is going to return the index value of the given string. Wherever it is available, it will return that index. Let me take one example program for this. Sir, I have a string s is equal to something like a, b, c, d, e, f, g. Like this I have. Sir, what are the indexes? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am checking index of CD. Sir, where it is available? Starting from second location to third location. It will return like that. S dot index of FG. Where it is available, sir? Starting location 5. Sir, I want to check X dot index of MN. Is the value is available? No. Then we have two options are there. One is nothing but it is going to raise the error. Another one is nothing but it is going to return -1. If it is returning -1, then it is the very useful task for us. Okay, why? Because so next lines is going to be executed. Suppose if it is returning index error, okay, then what will happen? Definitely next lines won't be executed, right? That is the biggest problem what we are going to get. But let me check how my system is going to run. Are you observing? We are getting value error saying substring is not found. See, in the exception handling, whenever we are getting these type of errors, rest of the statements won't be executed. So that's why what Python people did is, sir, this index function, okay, this index method is there, right? They have introduced replacement for this. Okay, they have replaced another function for this, which is nothing but what? Find. What find function is going to do? It returns the index value of the given string. Otherwise what will happen? It will return -1. So like that they have replaced this index with which one? Find. Maybe index will be deprecated in the upcoming versions. Okay, so here we are going to get -1. If you want, you can cross check. Okay, this is nothing but what is the difference between index method and find method. Sir, are you clear with this? Up to this, whatever I covered, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please confirm everyone clear up to this, whatever I covered.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, if the value is repeated, means object is repeated, and I
Hmm.
want to find some.
Only first occurrence it is going to return. If you want multiple occurrences, we have to write the code manually.
Okay, sir.
Right. So let us go for the next one. The next concept, what we have next function, of course, last functions, split function is there. Sir, here you need to give some separator. What it is going to do is it will split the given string. Okay. So it splits the given string based on given separator. Whatever separator you have given, based on that, it is going to split. Let us see what will happen. I am taking s is equal to something like I am taking Python is very easy. So I want to split this. How to split this? S dot split off based on space I am going to split. So that what will happen? We are going to get a list where first object is Python, second object is, third object is very, fourth object is easy. Like that, it is going to split. Sir, is it correct? Yes. Sir, what will happen if I am not giving any argument for split function? So assume I am not giving any argument. Then what will happen, sir? Sir, we got the same output. Means what? Sir, can I say the default value for performing split operation is nothing but what? Space. By default, it is going to split based on space only. Sir, I don't want a space. Okay, I don't want a space. Sir, then for example, let me take, I have a date of birth of a person is there. Okay, or today's date is there. So 13. Okay, 13, sir, 10 2023. Okay, like this, today's date is there. I want to split this. I want to split based on hyphen. Sir, what output we will get? Date part will be separated, of course, in the form of string only. And then month part will be separated. And then year part will be separated. Like that we will get. If you want, you can see here. So this is nothing but how you can perform which operation? Split operation. So once if you split, if you want, you can join also. So for that, we have another method is there called separator dot join of, we have a list. Here compulsory we have to pass a list. So what it is going to do? It joins the given list of elements with separator. Whatever separator that you have given, it is going to return. Okay. Let us cross check with one example. Please wait. Sir, please wait for 2 minutes, sir. I will be back. Sir, just please wait for 5 minutes. I have some emergency work. Please wait for 5 minutes. I will be back. Okay, please wait. I'm muting everyone. Please wait. Yeah, sorry for the delay, guys. Let me continue. Sir, everyone please confirm, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, you can see there is one more method. What is the name of the method? Join method is there. Sir, what a split method is going to do? Based on some separator, it is going to divide. What a join method will do? Already we have a list, right? From that it is going to join and it will return a string. So I will take one example so that you can get clarity. Sir, this is nothing but output of split method, right? Assume it is a list. So you can use join method to return a string. So first separator I am giving space dot, okay, space dot join of L. What output we will get? It will return a string with a space as the separator for each and every element. So you can give another string also, something like a dot. So if I use a dot, then what will happen? It is going to return Python dot easy, Python dot easy dot very dot easy, like this we will get. So in the place of dot, you can give hyphen also. Sir, what will happen? It is going to return Python hyphen is hyphen very hyphen easy, something like this. Let us cross check. Sir, are you seeing the separator is coming or not? Yes. So split method is used to divide the given list. Okay, sorry, given string based on some delimiter. What about the join method? Join method is used to combine these things based on some separator. Okay, so this is nothing but what we have split and join. I think the functionality of both split and join is very clear for you. Right, friends? Do you have any doubts up to this?
Yes, sir. This means we
Hmm.
can say that split function of string will work for sentences only, right? Irrespective of
sir.
the delimiters.
Irrespective of delimiters, you can give anything, but appropriately if you use a string, then it will be good.
A string means a sentence, so because if you will use you split
Suppose if you have numerical values are there from 0 to 9.
Hmm.
So you can separate with a hyphen, you can separate with a dot, you can separate with a colon, like that we can take.
No. My question was not like that. My
Hmm.
question is, see, now you are giving a sentence and a word, okay? So split method will work for sentence. I'm telling in that perspective, not for word. So if you will now do the split for Python, okay?
Yeah. Split. You are talking about the split function argument, right? Sir, we are talking about all these methods are applicable for strings only, sir. Because we are covering under strings only, right?
No. See, my question is, see, now if you will apply split method for that particular word called Python, what it will return? It will return that Python in that list with the single quotes, right? But if we will do the split with Python is very easy in that sentence, then it will be like
No, sir. No. I understood your point. See, if you have a string like this, okay. So ABC, ABCD, ABCD, or ABCD, something like that. You can do this S dot split off. So here I am giving based on AB, I want to split. Okay. Let us see what output we are going to get. Sir, before AB, empty string. Okay. Before AB, empty string. And then C, and then CD. Okay. Like that it is coming. Are you getting? So it is not only based on sentence, it can be applicable for anything, but we have to give a proper separator. On what basis you are separating is very, very important.
Okay, I got it. Split.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So now let us go for the next one. What we have here is, sir, with this, all the methods, almost all the methods related to IO. Right. Almost all the methods related to this string I covered very clearly. Okay. So now we have to talk about So next data structure. So programs related to these um, strings we will discuss as a separate chapter. I told already, right? We are going to discuss about the programs on these strings list combinations separately. I will explain that. Okay. Sir, are you clear with this? All the functions, of course, still we have so many functions. So those things are not that much required. If you want, you can go for documentation, because in the Python regular classes, we are going to cover in depth. But here, just what are the functions that we are using? If you understand at a top level, it is sufficient. So with this string data structure got completed. Everyone please confirm, is this clear for you people up to this, whatever we covered?
Yes.
Sir, when we are applying join, it is compulsory to string object in list.
Compulsory. For the join, you have to provide compulsory list. Okay. Compulsory, you have to give list. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Now we have to see the next data structure, which is nothing but what is the next data structure? List data structure. Let us see in detail about this list data structure. So under that, the first one is introduction. Sir, what is a list? What is a list? Very simple, sir. If you are talking about list, can I say the first point? It is a group of objects. Yes. If we are collecting group of objects, then it is called as what, sir? List. If we are collecting a group of objects, then it is called as a list. How to represent the list? Sir, it is represented by using these square brackets. How to represent the list? By using square brackets. Sir, for string we have double quotes, triple quotes, single quotes. So many things are there, right? What about this list, sir? We have square brackets are there. Of course, some other methods also there that we will discuss. Next and after that, sir, you told it is going to collect a group of objects. What type of objects it is going to collect? Is it homogeneous objects or heterogeneous? Homogeneous objects means what? Same type of objects. Heterogeneous objects means what? Different types of objects. Sir, is it going to collect the same type of objects or different types of objects? Definitely, since it is a collection of objects, so it allows heterogeneous objects. Heterogeneous objects. That means what? Different types of objects. Different types of objects it is going to entertain. Next and after that, what about indexing? Yes, it allows indexing, sir. Okay, means what? Sir, you can use index concept when we are working with this list, like positive index, negative index, both are applicable. Sir, do you know, if you have a index concept, we are going to get some benefits. Okay, we are going to get some benefits. So what is the benefit? Sir, if I have a house is there with 3 rooms, sir, can I say 0th room, first room, second room? Is there any order? Yes, that order you can able to maintain. Okay, that order you can able to maintain. Sir, best example, I will take one example like this. Sir, assume I went to market and I want to purchase eggs. Okay, and I went to market, I want to purchase some onions or tomato, something like that. Sir, do you know, if I want to purchase a tomato, just I can bring a carry bag. So in this, I am going to put all the tomatoes. Once if you come to the home, can you give guarantee that which tomato you kept first? No, you can't give. But if you take egg tray, the tray is arranged in such a way that, so it will be like this. I can say everything is allocated with some position. Suppose if you are putting the first egg here, after returning into the comb, sir, can you check this is the first egg, right? So it will be there in its position only, it won't shuffle. But here such a type of things is not there. Sir, this concept is nothing but here indexing is allowed, here indexing is not allowed. That's why if you are inserting the objects, after that you can't give guarantee which object you inserted first. Okay, sir, my list is this type of data. Okay, sorry, my list is this type of data. So how it is going to store the values? It will give some index concept. That's why we can able to access the elements based on index. It allows indexing. So indexing means what? It supports both, okay, both positive and negative, both positive and negative index. It will provide support for both the positive and negative index. So indirectly slicing is allowed. You can extract a portion, and insertion order is preserved. That means what? In which order you are adding, you can expect in the same order the data. Okay, in which order you are adding, in the same order you can expect the result. So this concept is called as what? Insertion order is preserved. Sir, what about duplicates? Yes, sir, duplicates are allowed. Like this, sorry, duplicates are allowed. Okay, we can take duplicates, no problem at all. Sir, what about uh, growable nature? Yes, it is growable. It is growable in nature. Means what? During execution, if you want, you can add the content. If you want, you can remove the content. If you want, you can perform even update operation also. All these things are possible. Sir, can I say it is a mutable? Yes, means what? Modifications are allowed. Sir, already you know about this list concept. Just I have provided the outline. Okay, just I provided the outline. Sir, please confirm everyone, is this list data structure introduction, is it clear for everyone, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm everyone, clear up to this whatever we covered?
Yes, sir.
Right. So with the help of these, just I want to provide one example for you people to understand. What is the example here is, observe carefully. I have a list is there with elements 10, 34.56. So I have true is there. I have 4 plus 3j is there. Next ABC, like different types of objects I am holding. If you print the list as it is, we will get. And if you ask a type of list, what output we are going to get? It is of type list, like this we are going to get. You can see the items which are present in the list are nothing but what? 10, 34.56, true, 4.3j, ABC, like this we are getting. Sir, it is what type of data? List type of data. Like this we are going to get. This is nothing but just a basic some list I have taken and I am showing. Sir, next and after that, how to create list objects. So creation of list objects. Sir, there are multiple ways are there for creating list objects. Let us discuss one by one. Sir, do you know the first one is by using these square brackets we can create. Okay, by using these square brackets we can create. This is one approach. By using list function we can create. This is one approach. Sir, by using split method, have you remembered in the today's class only we discussed about this split? What this split method is going to do? It will divide the given string based on spaces or any delimiter. But what is the output of that string, sir? We are going to get a list, right? So indirectly it is going to return the list. So next we have eval function is there. Yes, by using eval function also we can create list. And we have list comprehension is there. So it is also one of the easiest way to create the list object. Anyway, we will discuss later about that. But let me take one or two examples to demonstrate these things. In the first example, I am taking list 1. List 1 is equal to, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it a list or not? Yes. And I have a string is there with the content Prakash. I want to convert this string into list. Can I do that? Yes, no problem. Individual characters will be there. So next I have another string is there. Just now we have seen Python is very easy, something like this. Sir, can I join this by using these things? No, we can't. Okay. So Python is very easy. Like this we have. I'm creating another list. Sir, how you can able to do? Can I take s dot split of? So space, right? Yes, based on that it is going to. Even if you are not giving space also, no problem. We will get a list. Now I want to print L1. What output we are going to get? 10, 20, 30 like that. Okay, better simultaneously. Okay, no problem. If you print automatically, you will get in the form of list only. Like this, I'm trying to print L1, L2, L3. Now see what will happen. You can see we are getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what is the characters? P, R, A, K, A, S, H, something like this. What is this one? Python is very easy, something like that. This is nothing but what we have. Okay. So first example, how you can able to create. In this, I covered how many methods, sir? These three methods we have seen. Now we will see eval function, how it is going to work. I think you remembered by using eval function also, we can create the list. So assume I am taking obj is equal to eval of input of enter a list. Like this I am taking. If you print that object, we will get whatever object you have given. And if you ask a type of list, it is going to return that list. Let me cross check. Sir, enter a list. I'm giving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Sir, now you can see L is not defined. What is the problem? I think here it should be obj. Are you seeing? Is it a list or not? Yes. So by using eval function also, we can able to create a list object. I think everyone got a clarity. Sir, how you can able to create list objects? Any doubt in these four ways? Of course, list comprehension, later we will discuss. Are you clear with this?
Sir, I have a dot.
Yes.
Sir, I read somewhere about list insertion order is preserved. What do you mean this line, sir?
Sir, just now I told, right? In which I have taken that example also, right? In which order we are adding. In the same order only it will come. For example, if you take here, we have taken 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? In the same order, in the output, it is going to come in the same order. That means it is going to store in this style only. There won't be any shuffling of the data. But there are some data structure which is going to shuffle the data. But here it won't do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, sir, how you can able to access the list elements? How to access the list elements? Accessing elements. What is the advantage of using eval? Sir, this will be covered in the Python. I request everyone to please be on mute. Bharat, please be on mute. What is the advantage of eval function? So I told already eval function is used for reading any type of data. Generally, input function is going to work only for strings. It will read the data in the form of string. Later, if you want to list, you have to convert like that we need to do. But eval function, whatever data you are giving, automatically it will consider the type and it will take. Okay, that is the advantage. In the language, we are going to study about all these things. So in this DSA, except today's class, never we are going to use this. Okay. Now, sir, next one, accessing elements from list. Sir, already I have a list. How you can access the elements from the list? We have multiple ways are there for accessing the elements from the list. What is the first one is directly. Okay, directly we can access or directly we can print. What is the second way? By using index concept. By using index concept you can use. By using slice operator we can do that.
For loop.
By using while loop we can use. By using for each loop we can use. Okay, by using for each loop we can use. Like we have 5 approaches. So I will take a single program which demonstrate all these 5 approaches. So let us take a list I am taking with elements 111, 222, 333, 344, 355. Where the first element is loaded, 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location. Like this we have. So how to print the data directly? If you print a list, we are going to get directly like this. How to print index wise? Sir, can I print L of 0? 311. Can I print L of 1? 322. Sir, can I take L of 3, L of 2? We are going to get 333. Can I print L of 3? 344. So can I print L of 4? 355. Like this we will get. Next one, you can use a slice operator also. Sir, I want all the characters, all the elements. What is the starting location? 0. What is the ending location? Sir, 5. If you take 5, 0 to 5 minus 1, 4 we will get. It will print all the values. Okay. So means what? 311, 322, 333, 344, 355. Of course, based on your requirement, you can divide. So now I want to use while loop. If you want to use while loop, you have to manually take the concept of index. By default, index is equal to 0. So while until your index value is less than the list, you can print that index. In the yesterday's session, I explained about this very clearly. What about index, sir? Index is equal to index plus 1. This is while loop. What about for loop? For each I value in the list, simply we can print that item. So in how many ways we are printing the elements present in the list? First approach is directly we are printing. Second approach, by using index concept we are printing. Third approach, by using slice operator we are printing. Fourth approach, by using while loop we are printing. Fifth approach, by using for each loop we are printing. Let me execute. Is it coming or not? You can see first way, second way, third way, fourth way, fifth way. In all these ways we are getting the result. This is nothing but how you can able to extract. Sir, everyone please confirm, do you have any doubt in this accessing of the elements from the list, friends?
No, sir.
Right, sir. Anyway, the remaining things we will discuss in the tomorrow's session. Yes, we have tomorrow class is there. Okay, tomorrow Saturday, right? So tomorrow there is no class. Next class will be on Monday. Okay, Monday will be the next class. And maybe so next weekend I may take up to 7 to 8:30 like that. I may take sometimes. Okay, thank you.